Next question. The taxi charges in a city consist of fixed charges together with the charges for the distance covered. For the distance of 10 km, the charges paid are rupees 105, and for the journey of 15 km, the charges paid are rupees 155. So what are the fixed charges and the charges per kilometer? And also here you are asked how much does the person have to pay for traveling the distance of 25 km. Generally in your statement questions, whatever is asked to find, we start our question from the same point. Like here you see first point is asked what are the fixed charges and the charges per kilometer. It means an answer we will be starting from this point by assumption. So we will assume first the fixed charges and the charges per kilometer. See how? So here we assume let the fixed charges be rupees X and the charges per kilometer be rupees Y. As in case 1 it was given total distance covered is 10 km and for which the total charges paid are rupees 105. Now using this information how we will make the equation, as charges are being given in two ways. One are the fixed charges which we assume to be X. So this X is for the fixed charges that you go for any distance but this has to be paid. Then they are going 10 km. As charges per kilometer means 1 km. Charges for 1 km are rupees Y. So charges for 10 km will be 10Y. So what will be the total charges? Fixed charges plus the charges of 10 km. That is X plus 10Y. And together the total charges paid are 105. So this gives the first linear equation in two variable. Similarly, in second case, it is given total distance covered is 15 km and the total charges for covering this kilometer is rupees 155. So how to frame the equation? Again, as the charges are given in two ways. One are the fixed charges and one are the charges per kilometer. So here X represents fixed charges. Then charges for 1 km is Y rupees. We have assumed above. Charges for 1 km were Y rupees. So but here distance covered is 15 km. So charges for 15 km will be 15Y. So here how it will be made? These are the fixed charges. These are the charges for the 15 km. Together the total charges paid were equal to 155. So this way we got the second equation in two variable. So using above both the equations, again we can apply the substitution method. So here from first equation we take value for X. X comes 105 minus 10Y. This value of X as we have taken from first, now we have to put up in the second one. So in second equation which is X plus 15Y equal to 155, we are going to put up the value for X. By putting this 105 minus 10Y plus 15Y equal to 155, then solving after shifting the term and solving, here Y comes out to be 10. Now putting the value for Y equal to 10 in any equation above, like I put up here in X equal to 105 minus 10Y, as Y was coming out to be 10. So upon solving we have seen X comes out to be 5. Now you see that in the beginning what we assumed, X was representing the fixed charges. So X fixed charges means rupees 5 and charges per kilometer was assumed by Y, which is coming out to be 10. So we have come to know the fixed charges also and also the charges per kilometer. But question is not ending here. You will read the question once again, last line. There also it was asked that what are the total charges paid if the total distance traveled is or covered is 25 km. So total distance covered is 25 km. Same way we have to assume. First X rupees are the fixed charges which certainly is to be paid. You move any distance, this is fixed. Then for 1 km charges were rupees Y. So for 25 km charges will be 25Y. So we make the equation X plus 25Y. But here in this case it is not given total charges paid are how many. That is what the question is. We need to find it. So X plus 25Y equal to total charges. But now what is the use of X and Y? Already we have calculated, so we can put up here in this equation. So X was 5 and Y was 10. So put up and calculate, it comes out to be 255, which is representing the total charges. For total charges for 25 km is 225. So in this way we have learnt that how to solve the problem question where some situation is given by using the substitution method.